Hi everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to recover Roblox password. I wonder why you want to know how to recover Roblox password. Maybe because you want to log into another device and you don't remember your password. Or maybe you just want to get back to your account but you couldn't remember what your password was and you're looking to recover it, or there could be any other reason for you to get to know how to recover Roblox password. So whatever the reason it could be for you, in this video I'll show you how easily you can recover Roblox password. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed a Roblox app. In case you don't have, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app get installed, make sure you have created your account on it. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Roblox app to open it. The app will just take a while to load its content and then will take you to this page. Here we have two options, login or sign up. Therefore, we have to go with the second option, login. Once you tap here, you will get here. First, you will see your username. In case you couldn't find yours, then you can type here. And instead of adding password, you can just simply go to this option, forget password or username. Just simply tap onto that option and then it will just take a while and will get you to this page. Here it says forget password or username. Click onto the password option and enter it. If you have used your contact number to create your account, then add that here so that it could send a verification code. With the help of that, you can get back your account. And in case if you have used a username or you could say email, just simply click onto it and add your email that you used to create your account. Once you do that, it will send a verification email to your email address. So just get back to your mailbox and open the mail that says reset password or something like recover password, which is sent by Roblox. Once you open that mail, there you will see an option which says reset password. This option, you just have to simply tap onto this option and then it will take you to the browser, and there you can easily recover your password by creating a new one. So here you have to add a new password and then retype it so that you can confirm that you have added a right password. Make sure you create a strong and a password that you could remember for the next time. Once you have added your password twice, just simply click onto this submit option. Once you tap on submit, it will create this password as your new password and it will also log in your account on the web version. Now, if you want your account onto the app version, you can go to the app, add your username, add your password that you just created, and you will get back to your account. This was the easiest way I know through which you can recover your password on Roblox. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.